Is Mark Foster. We are replacing the nutrients in the buckets for the greenhouse, and the way we do that is we go ahead and take our A nutrient and we measure it out. I already have 30 ounces in, but that's not enough, so afterwards I'll get whatever 30 ounces by measuring out on the scale again. Now the total that goes in the bucket is 60 ounces. This container isn't big enough to hold 60 ounces, so you can fill it back up. Try to get an exact measurement. You don't have to be picky, but I like to be. When you dump these in the bucket, you usually put our hand all the way down. That way we don't get any dust coming back flying in our face. We're not breathing in stuff we're not supposed to. Staying healthy as much as we can. Clean the container every time, just so we don't mix up the nutrients. For the B bucket, we put 50 ounces in. That was 35 ounces. I just had to put 15 in, 50. Go ahead and put the right lids on the right buckets. And that's it for that. Now we take them out to the greenhouse and set them back up.